Today I work on this attendance management for the student screens. So this is what I have come up with after so many conceptualization. I have come up with this idea. So after an admin clicked on this attendance management, he will be seeing this at first glance, the dashboard look like. So here, this is the average attendance, showing the percentage of the present students, the late, the absent, and the not yet attended. So this is the current school, remaining school days. And this is the absences by course, depends on the absences by course and the grade, and then the weekly it will show the data here. So the courses with missing attendance too, and this is the attendance list. So all of the students name will be listed here, and with the course name here. So this if an admin wants to search a specific student, the admin can, by just typing here, and then you can check or search by date, just by specific date range. So by clicking this eye icon, he can view the profile of the student, but I will move on that next after explaining this add attendance button. So this model will appear after clicking that add attendance button, and nothing to show yet here because the admin needs to select date and then select the course. After selecting, here the selected date and the course is shown, and this will also show. So by default, there are no icons to be shown, so it will show like this, so like that, without icons, like that circle. And I made it this way, so if ever the class for the students for that course has only one absent, instead of clicking one by one, the admin can click this circle below the date number, and then all of the column will be checked, and what he can do is to click again, and the circle, the icon will be changed. So if ever this is X, represents the absent, if an admin click it, the icon will automatically change until what he wants to use, the icon will show that the admin wants to use. So if ever he wants to type this as an absent, he can click again, and the icon will be changed. So, and then he can save. So this is the filter showing the items on the filter menu. So if for download purposes, for export purposes, you can filter this to the present or the absent or the late, and then depends on the course too. So this is the profile. So by clicking that eye icon, this student profile will show, and then I also put this one, so if the admin wants to go back to this area, he can by clicking this. So this is the profile. This will show the details of the student, and also if the student is still active, also the total present days, the total late days and the total absent days. So this will be changed as the days of the school year is ongoing. And this is the attendance by filtering also the date, and then the filter item by course or by teacher, by status. This will change, and by adding an attendance for a specific student, because we can add attendance here, but if the admin wants to just for a student, for just one student, he can go to the profile and then add attendance. And this is the filter menu, but by adding attendance, this is the model that will be shown. So at the first glance, what will the model will show is just this item. So the admin needs to select the course, and then it will be shown here. And then by selecting date, this will also be shown. So like if I want to put an attendance on April 9, so it will be changed. It will show the attendance, and then if the student is late, I can select it here. But if I want also to, for that specific student, to add multiple attendance for the missing attendance of the courses, like what we have here. Where's that? Oh yeah, there. Then I can also add item, and like this one. So save, and that's all. And these are also the transfer management screens. So by clicking that, this will show. So I can toggle, or I mean this tabs. So transfer student, which is currently active. So by viewing the profile, this will show. By transfer student, this will also show, but without this transfer. So because it's just viewing the profile. So by transfer student, choosing this one, you will select the branch and transfer. So this is the model for the transfer. And for that tab of the transfer records, this is what will show you the transfer requests from other schools that the students are transferring to the current. I mean, if ever I'm working in my school that I am working with, so there, and I can approve and then decline. So view profile. So this will show the details of the student, and if it's approved, or if this is the model. If I am going to decline, I'll have to put note here for the reason of declining, and then decline. So, and I am currently also started doing the dashboard. So the lead developer wants me to focus on the dashboard. So yeah, I'm still working on that.